going to be good for you to walk. I was like, oh, stop being such a nurse. Is it looking okay? So I am a born and raised Neath boy. I'm proud of Neath because it has overcome so much. I think if you can build a strong community, then you're going to build a strong and vibrant, place. You don't need to be in Bristol, you don't need to be in London to be able to succeed in the arts. I just always wanted to be successful. I didn't really know what guise that would take until really I dropped myself into the world of theatre, and that's what I ended up doing. Really, it was the teachers in comprehensive school that got me enthused about theatre, music, singing and that type of thing. I think teachers generally are some of our biggest influences, so I've got a lot to thank them for. Stage 8 started in 2015. At the time I was working in an industry completely unrelated to the arts. I was working for an airline in the call centre, and it's a job I completely hated. And one night I said to my wife that, I can't do this anymore. And she said to me, what do you want to do? And I said, I really want to run a successful theatre school. And the next day I quit my job with no kind of plan on what would happen next. So it was a big leap of faith, but it's one that I completely do not regret. For me, theatre really is everything. It's what has given me so many different opportunities, not just in the arts. It's just amazing seeing how passionate these kids are about theatre and just being passionate in general. We've got kids who've gone on to go to drama school in London, and or even if they don't go to drama school, but they're now confident to stand up and give that presentation, or they're happy to speak to their peers even. It's just so important, I think, for everybody. I would describe the art scene in Neath as vibrant, community focused, and growing all the time. People go, oh, it's Neath, and I'm like, yeah, but it's my Neath. And I think that's really important.